हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त महेश कुमार। फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं दिस टॉपिक, सिलेक्शन ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेंट। फ्रेंड्स, when we are going to select the refrigerant, what are the criterias is there we have to see. So refrigerant selection is based on following parameters like working pressure range. What is the pressure range is there on which we are going to perform the operation. Like suppose evaporator pressure is 1 bar and that condenser pressure is 6 bar, 7 bar. So this much pressure ratio is there. Pressure range is there. So working pressure range, pressure ratio depends on that. Refrigerant, it should not be corrosive, it should not be flammable, it should not be toxic or reactivity, chemical stability should be there. So these are the properties which is required. We have to see that refrigerant should not be corrosive, should not be flammable, should not be toxic. Suppose we are using in air condition, okay? We are using in air condition or domestic refrigerator. So if toxicity is there, flammability is there, so it will be dangerous in the home because we are using air condition in the room. So toxicity is there. If any leakage is there, in this case problem may arise. Or domestic refrigerator is there, so your food and other items will be toxic, we are not able to consume. So it should not be corrosive. Suppose refrigerant is there, we are using in the refrigerator or air condition, it can corrode the material, so it should not be like this. So based on the parameters, we should decide that which refrigerant we have to use. Also, space limitation is there. Suppose in, we can say, cooling tower is there, or we can say cold storage is there. So cold storage space is more, but domestic refrigerator or air condition space is less. So based on the space limitation, we have to decide temperature required in the evaporator, how much we want that refrigeration should be there. Like freezer is there, so freezer, whatever item is there, freezer, in the case of freezer we are also using. So you are seeing that freezer is there. In this we are putting milk box, ice creams, chocolates, like this we are putting. So its temperature is less. And we are using domestic refrigerator. In this we are putting vegetables. Getting? So this temperature is different, that temperature is different. Or something we are going to make ice. We are going to make ice. So for this temperature is different. So and also in air condition, so here refrigerant temperature is different. So it's depend on that what evaporator temperature we are going to put. So temperature required in the evaporator. Oil miscibility, sometimes what happen, refrigerant mix with the oil, or we can say oil mix with the refrigerant, so it will form three categories. Like it will fully miscibility with the refrigerant, or partially, or it is immiscible. So depend on that, we have to check the refrigerant properties. Ease of leak detection, suppose any leakage is there, so we can identify easily. Okay, like furan is there, furan refrigerant is there, if it is leak, then halide torch we can use. So by the change in color we can understand that okay, some leakage is there. So ease of leak detection should be there. So these are the parameters, based on that we are going to select the refrigerant. Getting friends? सो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फ्रेंड्स। किसी भी पॉइंट फ्रेंड्स आपको डाउट हो, आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं, मैं उसको पूरी तरह से अगेन डिस्क्राइब करने की कोशिश करूंगा फ्रेंड्स। थैंक यू।